Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This beautiful home, which is located on Hanbury Road, Mandeville, was recently refurbished with modern fixtures and fittings. It offers 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and is within a nice residential neighborhood. The land area of this house is approximately 10,900 square feet and features ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, fully fenced, TV cable, central location, easy access to amenities, family oriented and quiet area. The asking price for this two-story house is Jamaican 27 million or US $175,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.